Dear viewers, today we will discuss dependent and independent variables in education. First of all, we will discuss what is dependent and what is independent variable. In education psychology, dependent and independent variables are central concepts in experimental design. A dependent variable is the outcome that is being measured in a study. It is considered dependent because it is believed to be influenced or affected by one or more independent variables. An independent variable, one of the other hand, is a variable that is manipulated or varied by the researcher in order to observe its effect on the dependent variable. The independent variable is considered independent because it is not dependent on other variables in the study. For examples, we will discuss now examples of independent and dependent variable. For example, in a study of the effectiveness of a new teaching method, the dependent variable might be student achievement on a standardized test. The independent variable in this case would be the type of instruction received, traditional lecture based instruction versus the new teaching method. The researcher would manipulate the independent variable by randomly assigning students to either the traditional instruction or the new teaching method condition, and then measure the dependent variable student achievement on the standardized test to determine the effect of the new teaching method. In educational psychology, dependent and independent variables are important concepts because they allow researchers to understand the higher relationships between different factors and student learning outcomes. By manipulating independent variables and measuring the effects on dependent variables, researchers can identify which factors are most important in promoting student learning and how they interact with each other.